That's the Sony A6000, and let's see a thing. If I power on the camera and go to the preview mode, it says unable to display. Okay, that's because I deleted the files from the memory card using a computer, and I removed only the files, and now the database file is on the card itself. So insert it into a card reader and open a file explorer window. Go to the memory card, which is this one. Okay, and if we go to properties, then you can see that 77 megabytes are used. That's only the database file. There is nothing on this card. This IM should contain the photos. There are no photos. And since I'm using the XAVC codec, here at private, and for root and clip, here we should have the videos, but there are none. We have some thumbnails here from the videos. Okay, but since there is nothing useful on the card, let's just delete everything, select them and delete them. Okay, and after this the camera will recreate the database file. So remove the card, insert it into the camera, okay, power it on. Now it will complain about that database file. That's it, and just press enter, the middle button. The file is being recreated in a few moments, and that's it. Now if I go to the preview mode, no images.